Hello everyone, today I'm sharing how to make a restaurant quality pizza at home. You can see all these bubbles, it has crunchy crust, and come on, let's make one. Get 1 3/4 of a cup of warm water. Anything from 80 to 100 degrees Fahrenheit will be great. Add 1 teaspoon of dry yeast. Add 1 tablespoon of honey or sugar. And add 1 tablespoon of flour. Give it a quick mix and cover it with a plastic wrap. Let it sit like this for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, you will start seeing yeast activity. You can see the white foam forming on top. That means the yeast is activated. If nothing happened to your yeast, you can wait another 5 minutes or get a new yeast. Your yeast is probably not fresh. Add this mixture to a bowl. Add 3½ cups of flour. Add 1/4 of a cup of olive oil. Add half of a tablespoon of salt. Mix everything together. And when all the flour is mixed in, you'll be mixing for about 5 minutes non-stop. Your dough will get elastic, very smooth and soft. And you'll know you're done when you press the dough and it springs back right away. Place the dough in a bowl, cover it with a plastic wrap or a towel, and wait until it doubles in size. After about 1 hour, the dough should be ready. I'm dusting the surface where I'll be working with a little flour. I'm making 3 pizza about 10 inches each, so I'm cutting the dough into 3 even pieces. And now we'll be shaping the dough. We want to trap air and fold both sides toward the center. Then fold the top toward the center and the bottom toward the center. Then you want to kind of seal it there. And then stretch it one more time and roll it over itself. We're shaping the dough into a ball, so we're tucking the edges, creating a ball. Here's the second piece of the dough, so we do the same. We stretch toward one end toward the center, the other side toward the center, then fold the top toward the center, the bottom of the dough toward the center. Then you want to kind of seal it. Stretch it and roll it over itself. And then you want to tuck the edges. You want to shape it into a ball. And be gentle with the dough. You want to have those air bubbles trapped inside. Transfer each piece of dough to a lightly oiled bowl. I'm using olive oil. This will prevent the dough from sticking to the bowl. Cover it with a plastic wrap and refrigerate for at least 24 hours, and it can be stored in refrigerator up to 5 days. And when you're ready to bake pizza, take it out from the refrigerator 1 hour before. You want the dough to warm up a little and reach room temperature. I'm using some semolina flour that will prevent the dough from sticking, and also it'll give the crunchy crust. You can also use regular flour, but I recommend semolina. Start by gently pressing the center of the dough with your fingertips. We want to stretch the dough to about 6 inches. And you can see a bubble right here. Don't pop these. They will make the crust crunchy, and that's perfect. Now lift up the pizza and let the gravity pull the dough down, and that will stretch the dough more. So we're just simply rotating the dough in a circle. Make sure you add some semolina or all-purpose flour to the tray you'll be transferring the dough to. And when you transfer the pizza crust, you want to start working faster because the dough might stick to the tray. The first pizza will be classic pepperoni pizza. I'm adding red marinara sauce. And of course, lots of mozzarella cheese. And ending with pepperoni. And this is very important, give the pizza a little shake to make sure the dough is not sticking to the board. My oven is preheated to 550 degrees Fahrenheit, it's super hot, and I have pizza stone inside the oven. If you don't have pizza stone, you can also use the back of a baking tray. Bake for about 8 minutes. And here we go, we have our classic pepperoni pizza ready. It tastes exactly like the one you get at the restaurant or even better. Our second pizza will be Hawaiian pizza on a white sauce. I'll put a link below how to make white pizza sauce at home. Our toppings are Canadian bacon, mozzarella cheese, and pineapple. Don't forget to give it a little shake before taking it to the oven. Hawaiian pizza I bake 8 minutes at 550 degrees Fahrenheit and then additional 2 minutes on high broil. And the third pizza is bacon spinach pizza. It's also one of my favorites. Start off with red marinara sauce. Our toppings are fresh spinach, uncooked bacon, and mozzarella cheese. For this pizza, I'll use less cheese than usual. Then I pre-cut about 3 sticks of bacon. And spinach I'll add later on. Don't forget to give a pizza a little shake before placing it in the oven. We'll bake this pizza at 550 degrees for about 7 minutes, then we'll add the spinach and bake another 2 minutes. I'm topping this pizza with some sharp Parmesan cheese. This homemade pizza is so good. I really hope you'll like this recipe. It always makes me happy if you subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye!